Some people believe that chronic knee pain is a life sentence, suffering through painkillers and injections while the pain keeps getting worse, until everyday activities become unbearable and life becomes a series of disappointments. Well, the good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Apos Health, a knee treatment based on a shoe that is personally tailored to shift the pressure away from the knee's pain zones. By wearing the shoe for about an hour a day, the muscles develop better movement patterns and the pain subsides. Apos Health can be done at home or at work, while working on a computer, cooking, talking on the phone, or watching TV. And it is FDA cleared, clinically proven, and has a 96% satisfaction rate with patients. Apos Health gives people the power to move and get back to doing the things they love. To learn more, visit aposhealth.com.